Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna produce you a new website. It's called Upwork. So before we start, let me give you a short idea about it. Upwork is a website that connects freelancers with businesses, allowing companies to hire talented professionals for various projects on a flexible basis. So to get started in Upwork, or with Upwork, simply head on over to Upwork here in the search bar on Google or any browser. Upwork plus enter. Okay, this is the website. This is all the results I got after my search. So let's choose the first one, Upwork, the word work marketplace. How work should work. Forget the old rules. You can have the best people right now, right here. Okay, let's take a quick look on the surface for this website, except all cookies here. Okay, we're gonna come back to the surface. After we sign up, you go over here and click up. So let's answer this question. Join as a client or freelancer. I'm a client here for a project, or I am a freelancer looking for work. So you will choose whatever you want that's independent on you. Okay, I will choose the freelance. I'm a freelancer looking for work. Okay, apply as a freelancer. Now you have two choices. You can do it by the Gmail, or with Apple, or with Google. Okay, let's enter our first name. Last name. Email. Password 8 or more characters. To the country United States, send me helpful email for find rewarding work and job leads. And you need to click here. Yes, I understand and agree to the Upwork terms of service, including the user agreement and privacy policy. So if you have already an account on this website, you're just gonna log in, not sign up. Okay, now creating my account. Waiting for a moment. And this website, the Upwork services as a large marketplace with a diverse pool of freelancer across various fields, providing businesses with access to a wide range of skilled professionals. Now, for verify your email to process, we just sent an email to the address. Please check your email and click on the link provided to verify your address. Okay, now I'm gonna go to my email. This is the one to verify my email address. Now, thank you for your interest in joining Upwork. To complete your registration, we need you to verify your email address. Okay, we need to click over here. And let's enter our email. You have another choices, of course. Continue with email, Google, and Apple. I'm gonna enter my email. And click continue. log in and log in. If password is wrong, I will correct it and come back. So I correct my password and then it's verified. Congratulations, your account is okay. Let's push okay. It's verified, of course. So now this is the website, just like this. Hey Susan, ready for your next big opportunity? Answer a few questions and start building your profile. Apply for open roles or list services for clients by or get paid safely and know we're here to help. Let's see what these questions. Let's get started to do the steps. A few quick questions. First, have you freelanced before? So you will answer by I am brand new to this. I have some experience and I am an expert. You will choose that independent to you. Okay, I am brand new to this and click next. Got it. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? Okay, you will put your biggest goal to earn my main income, to make money on the side, to get experience for full-time job. I don't have any or a goal in mind yet. I will choose this one and put next. And how do you like to work? I'd like to find opportunities myself. I'd like to package up my work for clients to buy, or I'd like Upwork to act as a recruiter. So let's choose this one and open Google. Okay, create a profile, open. Nice. Now let's start setting up your profile. How would you like to tell us about yourself? Okay, fill out manually. Okay, let's make software engineering. Next. Too many capital letters. Oh, yeah. Software engineering. Next, add your experience. Nothing to add because I don't have any experience. Next. Clients like to know what you know. Add your education here. Okay, I will choose this one. This is to complete our profile. Okay, do you have certification? I don't have, so I will choose that one. Next. Looking good. Next, tell us which languages you speak. Okay, let's choose English. My level is basic, conversational, fluent, or native, or bilingual. Okay, let's choose this one. Next. Now, nearly there. What work are you here to do? Your skills here. Let's choose design. Okay, we'll choose just one of these. Okay, let's do this one. So get the skills. Let's do just these and these. You will choose that what you want. It's independent on you. These questions. Next. Great. Now write a bio to tell the world about yourself. Okay. Let's write something here and come back. So this is what I write. If you want to read it, just make the video stop. Okay. You have 470 characters left. Okay. Next, choose your categories. Now, what are the main services you offer? Okay, let's search one. Coaching and console, admin support, data, design. Okay, let's choose this one as a designer. Let's choose art and illustration and branding and logo design. Okay, let's put next. Okay, hourly rate, freelancer services fee, 10% freelancer services fee you'll get. Let's try to, okay, we need to enter it. Make 100. Okay. Okay, let's press next. A few last details. Then you can check and publish your profile. Okay, the country is United States, street address. Just I don't know if we can skip this step, but let's try. Okay, because they will send the code. So I will not complete the creation of my account now because I'm not using this website because I'm not designer or a freelancer. So this is the last details. It's still to publish your profile. After you do that, you will just check your profile and then you will be just finished. So if you like the video, please subscribe and follow for more. So bye bye to the next video and the next website.